Let's start. A constitution is the supreme law of a nation. It defines the fundamental rights and duties of citizens. It describes the political principles and establishes the procedure of government institutions. The Constitution of India came into effect on January 26, 1950, and there were two handwritten copies, one in Hindi and the other in English. The Constitution of India is the longest written constitution with 145,000 words in it. The original copy of the Indian Constitution contains 251 pages and is the most detailed one in the world. The completion of the Constitution of India was a lengthy procedure. It took nearly 3 years for its complete framing. The member of the drafting committee of the Constitution conducted multiple debates and discussions to finalize each article. During the period of enactment, the Constitution of India contained 395 articles, 22 parts and 8 schedules. But today, after multiple alterations, it contains 470 articles, 25 parts and 12 schedules. Constitution Day is celebrated on November 26 in India. It is also known as Samvidhan Divas and is celebrated every year to commemorate the adoption of the Constitution of India on the same date in 1949. November 26 is also considered National Law Day by the citizens of India. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar is the chief architect and the father of the Indian Constitution. He was one of the members of the Constituent Assembly and the chairman of the drafting committee. The Constituent Assembly adopted the Constitution of India on November 26, 1949. It replaced the Government of India Act 1935 after independence and declared it the country's fundamental governing document. The Union of India officially became the contemporary Republic of India. In correspondence with it, the Constitution of India declares our nation as a democratic republic and assures equality, liberty and fraternity. The adoption of the Indian Constitution has played a very important role in establishing India as a sovereign, secular and socialist nation. Other than Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, some of the main members of the Constituent Assembly were Dr. S. Rajendra Prasad, A.C. Mukherjee, Munshi N. Gopalaswamy Iyengar, Khaitan, Milton, Muhammad Saudullah and Aladi Krishnaswamy Iyer. The Constituent Assembly was formed on December 6, 1946 and the first meeting was held on December 9, 1946. The committee conducted an analysis of the constitutions of over 60 countries before finalizing the final draft of the Indian Constitution. The Constitution of India is crafted on the basis of the knowledge obtained from the continuous fight for independence. It is enlisted with the fundamental civil duties and rights to direct every citizen of India. There are 6 basic fundamental rights in the Constitution of India. They are the right to equality within bracket Article 14 to Article 18, right to freedom within bracket Article 19 to Article 22, right against exploitation Article 23 and Article 24, right to freedom of religion within bracket Article 25 to Article 28, cultural and educational rights Article 29, Article 30 and right to constitutional remedies within bracket Article 32 for the smooth functioning of a democratic nation. All these fundamental rights are very important. As a citizen of India, it is of foremost importance to have a basic knowledge of the Constitution and the fundamental right. The right to equality ensures the equality of everyone before the law. Prohibition of discrimination on the basis of religion, sex, caste, race or place of birth, equality of opportunity in matters of public employment, abolition of untouchability, and the abolition of titles. The right to freedom is one of the irreplaceable fundamental rights endorsed by the Constitution of India. It includes Article 90, 20, 21A and 22 of the Indian Constitution. Stop. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Mera Bharat.